Have you been searching for the perfect compact SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe SE in Phantom Black. With lane keeping assist, driver attention warning, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 15,000 miles on the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number 105968.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.